that, you see that? Coffee, my money, my money. I can promise you one thing, okay? All of you, after 6 months time, my life is gonna change, and it's gonna change to the best. Just watch me.
So you guys gonna start to make this guy talk to me like that?
No, what's it?
Are you anyway? Listen, come here. Forget him.
Forget you said who call you?
Go on. Come and take a beer. Come and take a beer.
After you
still here. But like Fred said, in 6 months' time, you watch us.
Concert boys. You think it's English? You think it's English? 6 months? These guys, I dey watch you guys. The problem is you guys are lazy. You guys are lazy. I can feel it in every one of you till eternity. I am telling you, and I feel you now. Even the drinks you are drinking now, I bought it. I bought them.
Young man, old boy, only thing in mind. Success, majority tryna keep it following your rank path. Following your rank path. Blood money, them boys just keep ignoring the warnings.
What's up, dude? Look,
I need to give life back what is given to me, okay?
If life gives you 100 reasons to frown, why need to give life 1,000 reasons to smile back at? Oh, come on, you're man enough to make changes. Keep your hopes high.
Sam, seriously.
Yes.
When my friends out, they think I'm a failure. They think I'm dumb. They think I don't even have anything to show up in future.
Keep the negative talks away. Come on.
Thank you, Pastor Sam. Thank you very much for this wonderful preach. Really appreciate it. But let me tell you something, okay? I expect the best in all I do, okay? I'm the perfect man on earth.
Family over everything. Family over everything. Money no be everything. Sincerely speaking, you gotta believe it. The song that I'm singing, we make your medulla ringing. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck.
It's now for me to take that generator out of there. I'll be right back.
Hello, beautiful lady. Anyway, my name is Fred Dixon. I actually just came back from the United States of America about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, and you know, I do makeup in Hollywood. I do makeup for movies. I do makeup for fashion shows, for anything concerning entertainment in Hollywood actually. Then I was told you own Fasties. I was like, look, why don't I come here and do business with you? You never know. You might probably need me for some of your fashion shows, or anything. You just need me. Probably will need me because I'm experienced from Hollywood.
Sorry, I don't need anybody like that.
Excuse me, you never know. You might probably need me because I'm from Hollywood. I'm experienced. I work with a lot of big people over there. I just want to have your card. I can probably meet you up. We can have lunch, talk about this.
Lunch?
Yeah.
Do you want to work for me or lunch?
Not really. Like, we can talk over it on a lunch date. Not really date like it's lunch date.
Sorry, I don't have lunch dates with kids like you.
Wait, look, okay, what about taking your number, and just call you and then come over. You will need me, trust me, you're gonna need me. Oh my God. Thank you. Wow, fastest, I got it. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna holler at you. You're pretty.
Yeah, that's the right. So I will just add some, some big one.
I got you. This got to be real hot.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
It's going to bounce.
It should be hot. Ball JB likes hot things. I love your studio though, but I think my brother is gonna be crazy about it tomorrow. I need to rehearse a little bit.
You don't worry for that, but please can you just try and go on your lines with it?
I know, I'm crazy.
Go ahead, man.
You thought I was living in the ground now. You the flyers. Where you gonna land now? With suppliers of this rap that make this lies get out of the mom's house.
Okay, you see this line. I just want you to add something on it. Just try and go up. And calm down.
I was thinking about that.
Yeah, you do that, okay?
The studio timing and all.
Don't worry. Just
it's not easy to get money.
I will work on that.
Okay. So Malone, I think 2 verses is cool, right?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, do that for me. Okay.
Thanks a lot, Malone, because I found the studio and I found life and I found good music. That's
don't worry for that, man. It's going to be a hit. It's going to be a hit. Okay. You don't worry for that.
I believe.
I'm gonna make
you the man. This is the hottest studio I've ever been around. Hey, Malone.
Hey, mon ami.
Charlie, right now you have securities all over.
Boy, ça va?
I am the studio. Yeah. I'm cool with it, man. I think I'll make it tomorrow morning, to the studio. You cool with that?
You don't know. It's up to you. Okay, I got
you. Let's call this a day, man. Let's call this a day. I'll make it known.
Good, man. Good. I work on that, okay?
Hey. Good.
Ça va? Okay. Yeah. So, what is going on? Brother, I'm really proud of you. Hey, with just a twinkle of an eye, you blew it up so big. You do the working and let the money do the action and the talking. Well, brother, that's not the reason why I came here. Look, seriously, life is treating me really bad. As I'm talking right now, my sister and I, we're hustling so hard on the street to just make a living. I don't even know where to I don't know where to go now. I don't have a place to sleep. Kobe, let me tell you something. When it rains on all of us. Kobe, you're the problem to your troubles. Well, I actually even need a place to just sleep for the night. Please, look, I can't do anything. I have visitors in my house. Maybe you can get me some money. No. No. I mean, no. You can borrow me some money. I'll get you back. Kobe, I can teach you how to make money. Best for your pocket, forget. Please. You just forget. Okay. I can't do that. My love. Remember, we are best buddies. You know that? You forgot about all these things? Kobe, écoute. I don't know in which language should I talk to you. French, English, I don't even know. I can't do anything for you. Not even money, just a little money. I can't do it.
Becca! Guess who's in the house?
Oh my God, where have you been? Where have you been? Where did you find him?
I met him on the street on my way home, so I decided to just bring him in.
Oh. Guess what? I'm cooking your favorite meal. You must be hungry and tired.
Lost my appetite.
What's wrong with you?
I don't even know why I'm still living.
No, don't say that. Come on, man. Don't say that.
Look, you don't get it. I feel like the whole world is against me now.
Really?
Any job that I apply, whatever that I try to do, all I get is nothing. I'm just a failure.
Oh my God. It's alright. You get it in no time, okay? God has got your back, alright?
Look, right now, I don't even care what and how. I'll do anything. I'll do anything right now. I don't care.
Come on, you're just kidding. I know you're just kidding. Let's just get inside the stuff.
My name is Philippa, and this is where I stay.
Philippa, love Grecian, I guess.
Let me show you where to put your stuff. Okay, I'm gonna hurry my errand. Take care of the house, tidy up the whole place, my kitchen, my water flow surface. Yeah. Right? And when I belong to this house, you're my I also have some beverages in the fridge. I'll stay away from my alcohol.
My pleasure, my lady.
not be in a relationship with someone who only cares about his business and doesn't care about my feelings.
What did they talk about? Eh? Baby, see, sometimes when you talk like this, I don't like it. Hey, be fine. I'm doing this business because of you. I have to work hard, bring money on the table so that you dress fine, you clothe yourself. You are not complaining. So if you complain like that, then my tree is going. I don't like it.
So why don't you go and chase your money? What are you doing here?
So now what they stop me from can't see my girlfriend? I don't go visit my girlfriend again.
We really need to talk.
We don't talk already. Talk about what?
About our relationship, of course.
Baby, let me see. Matter. You are my everything. What are we going to talk about again? I am working hard because of you. I am working hard. I'm doing this business. I'm a business guy. I don't be lazy boy. When I'm flashing, I'm working hard because of you. Clothe you, so if I dey work hard, it's because of you. So sometimes when you complain like this, then honey, fever, mommy, you catch me fever.
Okay, that sounds sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
So, if we don't have anything to talk about, do you remember you promised to get me some accessories, costumes, and also change my wardrobe?
Yeah, did I? Hey, yes. Oh yeah, yeah, I did, but baby, you know that I just came back from a business trip. I have spent a lot in that business, so for that I will do it. But I have spent a lot.
For me?
I'm telling you, that's the main reason why I'm here to take some of the documents to just start processing it. Okay, really. I don't joke.
You are such a darling.
I'm a darling.
Yeah.
If you call me a darling, then my head always do me darling.
It's okay, darling.
Yeah, but you know what?
Baby, that reminds me. 2 weeks from today is my birthday.
Your birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. 2 weeks from now. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
You go see what I go do if the time catch.
I want to have a very big birthday party on an island. I need you to take me on a trip.
Oh, baby. Highland. Trip. Come on, what a trip. Highland, you don't talk about Highland. Highland is too much. You're a simple girl. I'm a simple. I'm a dope. I'm a huge guy. Yeah, but when you talk about Highland, can you be? You don't listen. I have a package for you. Something succulent, something sweet. Surprise party. Highland de la dama, no. When you talk about Highland, it's for a dance. You're Ashanti, I'm gone. You like seashore? Island. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
What is it?
If you go, God will punish this taxi driver. No matter what padine.
What
This taxi driver gets. Oh Jesus, just Jehovah. Taxi driver gets.
Babes, did you bring a taxi here?
Did you bring a taxi here? Yeah, me? Yes. Taxi. Yes, baby. You know I have a problem with my petrol tank, so I just have to take you to the workshop. And I took this taxi driver.
And what happened to the taxi driver?
You don't want to know, baby. As I was coming, I saw a woman who is begging for something small, volley. You know, rich guys like this. When I see old woman begging money, I have to settle the old woman. I brought out my wallet, gave something to the. I left my wallet on the dashboard. Taxi driver can she get it?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Taxi driver can she get it? He take my money.
That must be a huge amount of money.
You don't want to know. If I mention the amount of money, miscarriage.
Baby, don't mention.
I won't.
Please.
Jesus Christ, making baby.
So what are we gonna do?
What are we gonna do? I don't want to know what I'm going to do, because if I think about it, then injury is go. Baby, can you give me some traffic again? I want to repair my petrol tank and do some things.
Wait, you've come again.
I'm here again.
Okay, I don't have that kind of money on me right now. I don't have 500, but then I can afford 200 for you.
Oh,
but you're gonna pay back.
Oh, okay. That I've paid already. I'll triple it. Hey, I'll triple it. I'll double. No, I'll fourple it.
Hold on, let me see.
Yeah, I'm holding on. Christ mission. I go charge my way. Kofi and he did that port way. Yeah. Triplet. Come in, take it. You got Puma up here. I'll pay with a Puma, man. Oh, baby. You're so sweet,
More joy, more money, more problems. Young man, old boy, woman in mind. Success, majority to achieve it following your run path.
And I felt it.
Sweetie, look, I don't want you to remind me of my nightmares, okay?
So what are you going to do now?
That is what I'm trying to figure out. Can you imagine? I have to sleep over to my sister's boyfriend's house.
What?
Which was so embarrassing.
Oh God, please, I'm so sorry, okay? I would have loved to help you, but I've got a lot of things on my neck. My little sister is at the university now and I need to take responsibilities. I wish I could do something, but I'm so tied up now. Why don't you just stay with your friends nearby? Or maybe perhaps you can help me sell at the market. Or maybe my uncle's shop.
What did you just say? Friends.
Yeah.
Look, sometimes I wonder why God is being so mean to me. I wonder why God doesn't want to answer me. First of all, I lost my mother and they sent me down here. And I lost my father too. The only person I'm having right now is my sister. And now I lost my house. I don't even know how to take care of her. Oh God.
Hey, please, don't start it, okay? You need to calm down. God has a reason for everything.
If God had a reason, why is God not talking to me? Why is God not answering me?
Baby, He has a reason for you both being alive. I'm sure everything is gonna be fine in His right time. You just need to be strong. Okay? I'm always here for you, you know, right?
Oh,
cheer up.
My love, take me to the limelight. I'm ready to forego my suffering. Anything that will soar me high like an eagle, I'm ready to take it.
C'est pas vrai. Do you have the heart to make numerous advances? As-tu le courage? It is expensive.
Well, there's a saying that a person who doesn't cultivate his or her farm well, he or she says he have been wished. I'm ready to cultivate. I'm ready to make money.
In French, they say, le début d'une bonne discussion commence par une bonne attente.
I don't understand. Just... What? Are you serious?
What did you talk about? That don't you bring things or you can't see peace. Again, they said the peace. Don't look like that. I don't like that. Chama. Oh, what?
I don't like that thing. I don't like people who change people's destiny at all. What is the meaning of that? How many times must I tell you, don't call me chairman? You know where I sell. You see, because of the place they give me that name, fine boy. The place is nice, so fine boy.
But Chama is big bad fan boy.
No!
Fan boy.
You go, man.
Fan boy.
You go, man.
See, you find pants fine. Oh, you're fourth fine.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you. Come on, look about.
You see this one? This one here is original.
Straight up.
This one is not small.
You movement boy. Yeah, I know you. You movement boy.
This one, you know how they call them? Timber.
Look, it be waterproof. That means if I wear them, I feel walk on the water like Jesus.
Straight.
Where? This is serious. That's why they call you fanboy.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, fortune. Where? This is nice. You see, this one I don't go work for man. You know, my girlfriend birthday. So I go run for Dubai. So if I go, I'll go wear the bath when I get to.
Stop that nonsense! Stop that nonsense! You think I watch my face like this? I watch my face calm down. You are owing, you don't get money to pay me, you get money to take your girlfriend from here to Dubai. Kofi, you will pay me. I don't like that, you know, you will pay me.
What did you talk about? Guy, see, me, if I don't get money, I know will make you come around inside. Not judge me with this what you see. I get money. I be coffee, see. Coffee, cash.
You yob, you see this kind of yobbing, you go talk big. That is why sometimes I annoy with you.
You make a, I know the yob, make a tip, but you are get something for me. You see, take this. That's it. So keep this one.
Coffee.
When I come back from Dubai, I'll give you more. I'll give you this one.
Coffee.
Yeah, that's it.
Coffee C.
That's straight up.
That one in Ghana, how do you say?
Coffee shika.
Coffee shika. In Ewe, coffee koba.
Coffee. Oh. That will be coffee C, Lordy.
You eh?
You be movement. I just feel. So if I'm from Dubai now, you know what I will do? I will buy you chain. Gold chain if I'm from Dubai.
Coffee and you girl. Coffee.
We don't do it. Yeah, because you see, why you not add this thing, the jeans?
Oh, you see,
see me, I keep clean. See, your jeans, Jimmy, I know, tear the tag. You see, I know the tear tag because if I wear, I can't put there.
You and Kasami, you be experienced buyer.
I be movement boy.
You be experienced, you
that's all.
I bet my rush, my call jeans have no fast.
So what? Started the 2 Jesus, I said the 2. But get this video. I'll go my part with this video. Oh Jesus! What this guy said? Hey, give this guy 1 million. They are full. Yes, if they not kill me, we go kill ourselves.
Baby, okay. Don't worry. I'll make sure you get that, okay? Sorry. Prosper, what do you think you do?
I don't know. Let me try these people. I'll still owe this guy back.
Just try. So, oh my God. What happened?
Give me a minute, please. I'll come.
Try your best, please. Try your best. You okay?
Hell, my day.
What happened?
You haven't said anything about the particular ceremony open for you. Oh, come on, you deserve it. I think it's too much for you. You know I can't do that. Not even in the next one.
Fred, where have you been for the past 2 days? Not even a phone call. But you're looking fresh.
Oh, thank you. Okay, look, I have some errands to do, okay, so I decided to go out for some time.
Anyways, there is a clerical job at my workplace. I applied for you and you were picked.
There's a clerical job at your workplace?
Yes.
So you applied for me?
Yeah.
Sam, do I look like someone who needs to work? Did I ever tell you I need a job?
Fred, I just told you I got you a job at my workplace.
Look, I'm tired of it. I can't even talk to you right now. Talk to you later.
I just told you Fred,
please.
You don't want to work. Can you imagine? I'm just tired of this boy.
Babe, calm down. You're the one spoiling me. You should kick him out.
No, like, I'm just trying to help a friend out and it's just misbehaving.
Yeah, you can push that
I get cheap. I get both. I get both.
But that must be one of your business partners.
Yes. Actually, yeah, very pro. Yeah. Yeah. It's bad, huh? I don't understand this. Waitress.
Why? What's the problem?
The drink. I told you the drink is tasty. I don't like the taste. Waitress.
Babe.
Waitress.
Wait. Why are you calling a waitress?
The drink, I think, is fake.
Maybe you've got something on your lip. What's that? Mwah.
Fanboy, what's up?
Cool. Why are you doing this to yourself? My job is at stake like a disappointed Satan. Why are you doing this? The money I give you small money to go and do your girlfriend birthday, you don't return the money again. Why?
I dare right now. I wake up, I see say what's up. I don't know get cool. Which money they talk about again?
The money you borrow to go and do your girlfriend, you bring it back.
See, as I dare, I get miscarriage. I feel confused. I get serious miscarriage.
You see, you don't even know that it's women that get miscarriage. You think it's men. You see?
I thought I get miscarriage.
Yes, that was what you said.
Guy, forget them. I make what? I go do some jail again. My money bang. I can't shake it. I go so as a day I make hot.
It's not my concern, oh. If you don't bring that money here right now, me and you will die here.
Who then will die?
Me and you will die here.
So if me then you die, who go pay your money?
Me
then you die, how you go get
your girlfriend is not there. Your girlfriend is there. I'll just carry and go and put to her for second selling atama Germany.
Go take and put second. You know I want to look at. Go to Penny. Go take and put second. You just say, see, I don't want your trouble. I don't want any trouble. Cry. I make what? See, as I do now, say I didn't need love. I didn't need love. So if you get something small, give me. If I get the money, I will give you more.
The one you take, you didn't pay. Now I should come and add a different one. Oh, Bodenche, let me speak gun for you. Bodenche, Okasa noni odomoshino, we or no, bed you bamolaniro. Manu.
More gun poto you. A big part your debt. I am bigger than your debt.
Pay me.
Yeah, no more fianga no money here, but you go see me then you go buy your pen. It be fine. Right now I not get some. So if I get the money in bulk, I can't give you that.
Maga try, come on.
No, you didn't forget something.
Forget what?
Oh yeah, Pano, you did forget the time I did beat you.
That time will be small boy, you. That time you are saying you beat me, we be small boy. Forget.
See, guy, I'm a cable. Let me tell you, I owe you. But coffee, majibu, bedek. Majibu. Then I go pay you, go take the money, go hospital. I go beat you. Which bad luck with this? As I day, I dey smell this gutter. I dey smell the gutter right now. The impurities in there, the gutter inside. It dey make I dey satis small. Mini bad luck in there. See, I know they go that way. I know they go. I go
bring the money.
What money?
I say bring them.
Come on,
bring the money.
I go beat you.
I say bring the money.
I go beat you right now. If you like hold me.
I'm holding you.
You are holding. Blench, you're confused. I know they like this thing. In Jambes, we mean bad luck, ne?
Oklahoma, Bonyamarga Fiaram.
No, Maharam. I go, my book. What I go do you go shock you say I dey owe you, but I go beat you, you go take the money, go hospital like it. I know they like this.
If I leave you, don't run.
You leave me.
If I leave you, don't run.
I don't go run.
Bring the money.
You rob me. You steal my money.
I don't steal your money.
You steal my 5.
Search me.
You steal my money. You see him? Oh, you owed me no. You steal. You see your face.
Where?
Hey, July.
No money, no joy, more money, more problems. Young man, old boy, only thing in mind. success. Majority tryna achieve it, following the wrong path. Following the wrong path. Blood money. Them boys just live ignoring the warnings. Some put it in their mama's age circle. Tired of life in the ghetto, cause of that colorful paper. Boys present them but as they price. What kind of life is this? If you don't get down, make you no hungry. You be hungry, my guy. Shortcuts making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. You went to shortcuts and making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys from mama, they drive to friend mama. Boys people they can judge you because of the pen and pen. They can judge you. Boys from mama, they drive to friend mama. The boys people they can so make they can judge you because of the pen and pen. Vanity over vanity, brother. Forget your vanity. Vanity over everything. Vanity over everything. Money over everything. Sincerely speaking, that I'm thinking. We make your bed life. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, work hard and play hard. Out of time, just patient. Just get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, work hard and play hard. Out of time, just be patient. Surely get a paycheck. You went a shortcut, making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister. You went a shortcut, making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Body's on my mind, they try to break my mind. Body.
Good day, sir. Sorry, gentlemen, you may have a seat.
Thank you. Excuse me.
You must be Owusu, right?
Yes, sir, Francis Owusu.
I've gone through your profile, and I think you have what it takes to be the face of this company.
Thank you, sir.
But before then, stand up, let me watch you. Turn around. You may have a seat. Anyway, I have to process your document. Okay. But before then, you need a photo shoot.
Okay, sir, my pleasure.
Hey, pretty girl son, you back again?
Look, there's no time for expensive jokes. Look, I thought about what you told me the other time. I'm ready for it. I mean, I can't take it anymore. I'm ready for it. Just listen.
Hey, Kobe, look. I have no time to joke, okay?
I'm not joking. Do I look like I'm joking? I'm serious about this. Let's go. I'm serious. I'm damn serious about this thing. Let's go.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, meet me tonight.
Why should I meet you again?
Kobe,
I don't have time.
Kobe, please. I have business.
Okay, you drop me. Then drop me.
Okay.
I don't have money.
You're in a shortcut, making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. You're in a shortcut and making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, them they try different format, but the body go make them so make you take them, yeah. Because of the pen and pen, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, them they try different format, but the body go make them so make you take them, yeah. Because of the pen and pen, they come, yeah. Vanity upon vanity, brother, regain your vanity. Family over everything. Family over everything.
Hey, boss. Wow, what a beautiful place you have here. Thank you. Sir, I formally want to say thank you for finally signing me on your label. I was at the office earlier and the secretary told me how you are arranging an apartment and a car for me. I'm so happy. Thank you very much. But she also told me that you insisted on seeing me.
Francis?
Yes, sir?
I personally sent for you.
Okay.
I hope you know that it comes easily.
Excuse me, sir, I don't follow.
You're not dumb, Francis. You know, right?
I know, but I mean, if there's anything that I need to do that I might be ignorant of, I mean, you could kind of just say it.
Francis.
Yes, sir.
See all the celebrities you see around? All these movie actors all over the world, they go through the same procedure.
Sir, I'm lost here.
Francis?
Yes, sir.
Most of the staffs I sent to you, including the $5,000, are all bonuses.
Sir, please, I'm sorry. I'm straight. I do women.
Who cares about that? Francis, I'm married to a Filipino with 2 beautiful daughters.
That's not fair.
Francis, nothing is fair on this earth. Let me tell you something. Be my lover boy, and I'll make sure you get all the contracts all over the world. I want to exploit you. I want to make you rich. I can even give you gold.
Sir. I'm sorry. I will have to turn down your offer. I'm not a homosexual, okay? I will have the bank refund your money, and every other arrangements you've made, you can take them back. And remember, you can fuck yourself too.
Small boys are young.
Ajo plait. Ajo plait. Ajo plait. Ajo plait. Ajo
welcome to this great brotherhood. The brotherhood is a place of one for all and all for one. You have gone through all the stages of initiation. Now you're one of us. At this point, all that you need shall be given you. But you must not fail. You must not fail. You must not fail in fulfilling the great task which shall be done once every year. If you do this, your wealth shall never go dry till death. Great Buddha will ever remain faithful to you. The great task must be fulfilled once every year.
going out in the morning quite late, so just feel free.
Well, I am gonna feel free.
There's a stocked fridge and just relax and back. Sure.
You can stay as long as you want.
Honey boo, why don't you just make me drop you home?
I mean, don't worry. I live down the road, okay? It's a rough road. I don't want you to get there. Your car is gonna get damaged. I'm fine here. Don't worry.
But you know I don't mind.
I do, baby girl. I do. I said I'm gonna go home, okay? I'm just gonna walk down the road. Don't worry. I don't really.
Okay, if you say so. Alright, take this for your upkeep.
No. You know I don't like when you give me money, okay? I'm the man. I'm supposed to be giving you money. I don't like it. Like.
Alright then. I'll keep
you
it.
Know what, I'll just make good use of it. I'm gonna need it.
But I thought you don't like the offer.
Yeah, I like it. Come here. I'm gonna see you later. Alright.
A sex machine. You make me feel like a real woman.
Well, anytime you want, lady, I'm always going to be at your service all the time.
Tell me, how many women do you have?
Oh my God, Louisa. So you want to tell me that you don't even trust me?
I just asked you a question, friend. I demand an answer.
Louisa, look at this. There's no other woman out there that's gonna be compared to you. I mean, you're such a sweet person. You are so romantic. Cannot even compare to any other girl out there. Look at me, come here. You're the best, huh?
And you are a genius boy.
I know I am.
You know what?
What?
I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Yes.
What a surprise, huh?
You know what the surprise is? Another round of 6.
I'm so happy. What is it? What?
I'm gonna take alcohol.
Why you always take alcohol?
Yeah, but I think for a while I'll stay off it.
Okay. If you say so.
Baby. The doctor pronounced me pregnant.
What? The doctor what?
He pronounced me pregnant.
With who?
You, of course.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Baby. I hope this baby is going to be a girl.
No, that'd be a boy. Boy.
Well, it should be a girl because I want a girl.
Let me get it first.
I'm the king of the world! Brother, you just can't believe it, man. You know, you see these man, but you the man. Straight up, don't try to fix.
I can't believe I'm telling a successful story within the twinkle of an eye. I'm so happy. Woo!
You the man. Let him know. Let him know.
Could be. You enjoy your life depending on how you make it. Man, I'm proud of you. Seriously, I'm proud of you, man. It's great. But brother, you know one thing I've learned in life? Happiness is to openness. It's getting it, man.
This is just the beginning. I told you, man, we started in the studio, I was scared. And I'm rich, and you gotta be rich, and tomorrow is gonna be like, you got a jet plane. Man, you are rich.
Right now, I've learned a lot. Seriously. I own my own car.
You got it.
Too many clever people do not make many successes. So, man, you're getting it. That's great.
The same way one head doesn't contain all the wisdom. You know what? I'm gonna chill tonight. Straight up.
No money, no
You know what?
joy,
I'm
no
gonna
money,
make
more problems. Young man, only thing in mind, success. Majority trying to achieve it, following the wrong path. Following the wrong path. Blood money, them boys just live ignoring the warnings.
I bet you like that, didn't you?
No.
What? After 9 good quality runs, you're telling me you're not okay?
Dude, that was not enough.
Gosh, this stinks.
Really? Well, get them washed.
What?
Clean the house. Clean the pool. Add a little bit of chlorine to it. Just let the house be spanking clean before I come back from work.
Oh.
Shortcuts in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcuts in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, them they try different format. Everybody go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, them they try different format. Everybody go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah. Vanity upon vanity, brother. Regain your sanity. Family over everything. Family over everything. Money no be everything. Sincerely speaking, you got to believe it. The song that I'm singing, we make your medulla ringing. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, work hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, work hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. Everybody go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the fen and fair, they come, yeah. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. Everybody go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the fen and fair, they come, yeah.
Oh my god, baby. The body is just so soft, like a little rose. Oh my god, girl. I'm so horny right now. I just wanna. You know you're my Princess Charming, right? You're the best of them all. I just wish every day would go by and you and I in bed every night, cuddling and sweet talking each other. The beauty is just uncomparable. Oh my god, baby. You make me feel so very good. You make me feel like a man, not like a young boy. You make me feel like... Alright. I mean, those moments we have together. Those last night. Just you and I making it happen. Okay, baby girl. Ah, yeah.
Oh God. I'm so tired. I haven't had this in a long while.
Really?
God, you're so energetic. Oh.
You know what? I'm not just good at like cleaning up your house and cooking good food, but I'm also good at making you happy in bed.
I know. Oh. Oh, I like the texture of your hair. Unlike the Indian.
The Indian?
I meant my Indian hair.
But your hair is not Indian.
It is Indian. That was just by the way. Can we have one in the washroom?
In the bathroom. You mean the washroom?
Are you tired?
Me tired? No, never. You mean the bathroom, the washroom?
Yeah. Alright.
Right there.
Yeah, get going. I'm so pissed. Come on, I'll be with you I'm coming. Basi, please, I'm not in the right mood for this.
Is there any problem?
You, honey, I'm not.
Are you seeing someone else?
There we go again, Basi.
I'm sorry. I'm hot right now. Philippa, please. Let me in if it's just for a twinkle of an eye. Okay?
Basi, this is going to be chill water and sleep. Besides, you only have sex with somebody who is in the right mood. That's when you enjoy it.
Damn it, Philippa! Damn it! I'm going.
Okay. Bye. Indian man, go and get your dick fixed.
Francis, baby.
Yeah.
So that's your house.
This one for me?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Thank you, Jerry.
No, I don't need a handshake. But I don't know why these guys have kept so long. They should bring the key so we can go in and check. Why don't we go to the office?
Okay, anything you say. Anything you say.
Well, Tina, you're welcome to my beautiful home. This is where I particularly live. Right here.
Nice place you got here.
I know, thank you.
So, can you hear them?
Of course, I mean, I'll leave you alone, but you know, with my friends, he's kind of affectionate, man.
Wow, that's nice of you.
Oh my God, Sam, come here, Sam. Sam, meet Tina. Tina, this is Sam, the only woman of my life. She makes me happy. She's just so beautiful.
Hi.
Sorry, I have to start leaving now.
But you're just walking.
Yes, but I have to do something for my brother. Come on, baby. I'll call you when you're home.
Alright, come here. Give me a sugar.
Okay. Be a good boy. Alright.
Oh my God, look at that eyes. Who's my nigga? Sam. Sam is my nigga. Yo, talk to me, man. What's up? Right. You really need to take caution with this your womanizing habit. Especially chasing older women like that. Look, Sam, she loves me, okay? For crazy, you are their prey. Look, they love me and they spend on me, okay? Come on, Sam, it's a God blessing. It's a freaking favor. Blessing. Soon, they will victimize you. Those are my words. Look, I've never seen a guy who nags like you, okay? You nag so much. Oh, now I'm nagging. Because I'm advising my own friend, I'm nagging. I beg. I didn't want to say. What you get for us? What did you cook? Is that what we're talking about here? Okay, I can even deal with your freaking nagging at this. Out of here. Fred!
This is not fair. This is so not fair. I can't sacrifice my wife. Besides, she's pregnant for me. I thought it was gonna be any other girl or any person on the street, not my wife. This is totally impossible.
Kobe, I did worse things. I did sacrifice my father, my mom, my wife, and relatives and siblings. You haven't seen yet.
But you didn't tell me it was gonna be that weird. I would have thought twice about it.
You still talk like a kid.
Don't tell me that. Please don't tell me that.
Kobe, don't forget that you took an oath. And in that oath, there is no turning back.
Well, I'm gonna walk out of it. Trust me.
Kobe, you're surely gonna come for your wife.
Help me. Help me. Let me help me. Let me help me. Let me help me. Let me help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Kobe.
He's gay.
No, he's not. It was just for a movie.
Are you telling gay too?
No, baby. Watch it.
Oh, you heard me.
Sorry.
Bridget, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Baby. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Baby!
Sam, my brother. You need to see this one. Trust me.
What's up?
Come here. Come look at this one.
What's the problem?
Just come and look at this one. Oh my god. Look at this house, Sam. Look. See this beautiful house? Isn't it beautiful? Look at this house. That's the only house I'm going to move when I leave this shithole you call the house. Okay, look. That's the garage right there. That's where I'm going to park all my beautiful cars in. The house itself is going to be like a transparent way. Outside you can actually see inside, so you think you can come and rob me, but you can't, because I'm going to have like a whole security guard in the house. And look, Sam, look. Right here. Right here. I'm going to be like 2 boy scooters here. You're going to live in one of them. Right here. You're going to live in one of the boy scooters here. It's a beautiful house. Don't you like it?
Are you done talking?
Oh my god, don't tell me you're jealous, Sam.
Fred. My fiancé is coming in tonight and I would like you to sleep somewhere else.
Sam, your girlfriend is coming in, you're just telling me. You know what, just give me 4 days, okay? 4 days.
What? That's not possible. I just told you my fiancé is coming in tonight and you need to spend the night somewhere else.
Sam, do you know yourself speak? Do you know what time is it? Where do you expect me to go sleep at this time of the night?
You could just call one of your sugar mommies and just, I believe they could help you out.
I can't even believe you sometimes, trust me.
Fred, as I'm talking to you right now, she's on her way.
Aw, sweetheart. Hi. How are you doing? How you doing? I'm fine.
Oh, baby.
Aw. Welcome. Okay. I'll take you inside, okay? Don't you?
Yeah.
What the?
I wanted my privacy.
I can crash tonight right here. Just
That's not possible.
I can sleep here. Sam, you want me to leave your house?
I told you that.
Please. Agnes.
Fred. My fiancé's around and you don't expect us seeing you on the couch. It doesn't look good.
Right here. Just right here like this. Just here. Fred. I'll leave it snow.
Fred.
I'll leave it snow.
Fred.
Right here. You serious about this?
Are you kidding me? Fred, come on, don't do this now.
Philippa?
Hey, darling.
Oh, Philippa.
How was your day?
Very good.
Oh, no, you have want to go and take a shower. You know, you're looking all sweaty.
No, I've already taken a shower, Philippa.
No. I want you to take a shower again.
Philippa, I've taken a shower already now.
Oh, but you're still looking sweaty. I want you to go and bath.
Okay, for you. Well, you have to do that, okay?
Yes, baby.
Okay? Well, you have to do that. Philippa, towel! Who the hell is this guy?
Electrician. You know, the TV wasn't working properly, so I called him to come and fix it.
Philippa, this TV is working perfectly.
No. It's not working perfectly. See, the picture's not even coming.
Philippa, if the pictures are not showing, you would have called me, Philippa.
Okay, he's a plumber. See, the pipe too, it wasn't flowing. I wanted to bath, so I called him to come fix it.
Philippa, you just told me he's an electrician, now he's a plumber. Which one should I take now?
I'm just confused.
Besides, what is it doing in your bedroom?
Big grammatical error. Okay.
Philippa, what is all this?
He's my... No! Please, I love you.
Philippa, you betrayed.
No, I
You betrayed me, Philippa. You have Philippa. You have.
Electrician.
That is not electrician, Philippa. It's not electrician.
This guy arrange your face well. You can't talk with this now.
See, I tell you, I just respect that man just because my girlfriend did. I don't scatter my face. I don't beat Peter. In Sabi how many times I go gym. Just don't know. Aye! Yeah, I was sorry for that side. I was worried myself.
Look at me, first time I see your blood with this. So if you want to do this thing, yeah? If you love,
the man is crazy. One kind Indian man just they slap me anyhow. He hand everywhere. Whenever I say he get the carry convey, he just they slap. He just they slap. Really no get messy.
it's so nice. I mean, if you can see your color for the first time, your real blood.
Ah, yeah. I mean, think I easy. I just say press small smoke. You think I easy now? What's the worry?
Who say you walk? Eh? I shall come on.
I think I'm small smoke.
Oh yeah, but yeah, go. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. I'm sorry. So I'm telling you, if you do pepper soup for me, you know say. Because of the job the guy break, I don't feel chew me, so just put fish for inside and just do one small pepper soup. For my beginning to taste small.
No, those are sugar.
Need to come over here. So, when I'm at home with that.
Philippa, I'm really sorry for the other day. I never knew what came over me.
Oh, sweetheart. You know, it's okay. I just hate it when you accuse me. You know I can never ever play any funny games behind you.
I'm really sorry, Philippa.
It's okay. I'll forgive you, but only on one condition. That you will never shout at me again or even threaten me again.
Never ever again in my life. Okay.
Alright.
So why don't we toast to it?
Toast to what?
For having a beautiful and successful wife to be.
Okay. Cheers.
Oh, come baby, come.
Excuse me, madam. Where is Kofi?
And who are you?
He's supposed to be your boyfriend, right? He took some money from my boy. He got some birthday party, but he didn't tell the money. Where is he?
Listen, I don't know where Kofi is. And I don't know what you guys are up to right now. I'm looking for Kofi. He took some amount of money from me and I didn't hear from him again.
Yeah. You know what? Wherever he is, I'm sure he's in this house. I'm gonna press him out. Trust me. Let's go. Let's go. Kofi, you are into trouble. Family dia grow for her.
And then I shall bow.
Sika sem na oka. Share.
Wow.
Na ye sika na go straight. Go straight. No we will be feel on white na kwa ade juma na kwa we do. The taxi driver was more now about put me back in.
Oh yeah, your papa na say that boy.
Oh my god.
Ah, say na okasa wo do say.
Oh me. Mama can say me papa no, me papa a minister of foreign affairs. Wow. And I'm a businesswoman. Me angasa no, me a musician. Oh yeah, me a musician, me a upcoming musician. I find me first track no, me the cutting station on mobile way videos. Minister for the company here way.
Wow.
Yeah. Of course. Oh no, damn if you me feel grand, man with me grand man.
Serious?
Oh shit, now.
Sakura what you didn't say?
Say, me nyakala me connections me met my change your life. Oh, if you are. Oh, right.
Morning. What is it? Me do Africa in the room to see us. Me check 30 minutes on my day.
I told her how Africa is here. Me pay me wa.
Africa to see a room in the runs or so of father of my dad and so 30 minutes a day. I had to prevent us a day.
Oh. A bay area boys now we are Zanibi.
And everybody to see them in the room or swimming channel.
Boss, we so be in here, sir. Why
boss be better with the channel? Say, Wunya non perceive a man a Pia with channel. The club police have police. Also, father, my channel other day. That's with the channel.
One in Molero, come on in disciples. The body me a ye ma shot the coapa. One in Mokari, so that's okay, Mukapa. Okala. Boss,
Okala. Open the gate. And I'll open the gate for you.
What are you doing here?
What do you mean by that? Do you know how many hours I've been here waiting for you? And this is the way you are going to welcome me?
You're not welcome here, Kofi. Listen, I cannot do this anymore, okay? I cannot continue with this relationship.
Yeah.
I practically take care of you. I clothe you. You borrow money from me. Common deodorant that you use, I buy them for you. What use are you to me?
Concert. This be concert. Baby, why you talk like that? No, why are you talking like that to me? I have told you everything about this ship. And I told you the ship, my goods are in the ship. We can't find a ship on the sea. Now I'm bankrupt. In Beckman, and this is the way you're going to talk to me?
Yeah, sometimes you amaze me. Yeah, you amaze. Are you serious in life at all? Are you serious? You know what? I want a break. I need to clear my hair. I need some time away from you.
Wait, you need a break. So, what are you trying to say? That you're breaking up with me?
I am not breaking up with you. I'm just trying to tell you that give me space, okay? I need to think. Please.
Do you know how much I love you? You can't talk to me like this. I love you more than 5,000.
Are you hearing yourself? Are you hearing yourself at all? Your love is as empty as you. You are an empty vessel standing here right now. You make promises that you don't keep. What?
Yeah. So now you're disgracing me. You see, everybody, they are people in Kokonsa, are people. You are disgracing me. I won't say anything, but you let's go inside and let's try this.
No! I'm not going anywhere with you. I'm serious.
You're serious like that?
I don't want you around here. It is over between the two of us.
Baby, see, I beg you. I beg you. You no go fit do this thing to me.
What are you doing?
Just give me the chance to show my actions like Jet Li.
Okay, alright. Okay, get up. You are
no, get up where? No, embarrass you.
Okay, please. Please just get up.
Let the dogs walk. Whoa, watch me.
Come on, just get up, please.
It's not nice.
Oh,
if you do this thing, you embarrass me first.
I'm gonna right? I'm gonna continue with this relationship with you, but only under one condition.
And what that?
You have to pay me every single money that you've borrowed from me. You have to pay me back.
I pay them already. Oh, I pay. So far as you agree that we are still on the track, we are still going, you are still my girlfriend. I have paid already. Check it. Take your phone, check your account. I have paid already. Pull your hand down. Let me kiss your heart. Go and see the car inside. Spark the car. Let me open the gate for you. Enter the house. Let's go do some woman makeup. I love you like something. Oh, sweet. You are going out. You didn't lock your gate. If I'm Robert I dare watch man. You talking to me anyhow. I see bedroom. You talk to me anyhow in the bedroom.
I don't think you want to do this.
Jerry, serious. I can't continue this. I don't want to do this anymore. Seriously, it's even affecting me. Look, see what you've done to me.
Anyway, that's nothing. Let me just get to the office and I'm going to call my doctor to attend to you. See you.
See. Just passing around them. No man of things.
Listen, guys, I don't want this anymore. I want out of this. And I don't want to be rich anymore. Take your riches.
Sorry, man. Listen, this is a journey of no return.
I want to return. I have only one month remaining. And I want it out. I don't want to die.
Because you disobeyed to offer your sister as a sacrifice.
I can't kill my sister! Get that in your thick head!
So
why would I sacrifice my sister when she's the only person that I have on earth?
Hey! Sorry man, you have no choice.
I have a choice.
Face the consequences.
Listen, I have a choice. And I'm walking out of this. I'm walking out of this, your tribe or whatever. I'm walking out of it.
Kobe, are you sure?
Just watch and see. As a matter of fact, I don't need to stay here with you guys.
Hey, my man! My man!
You should see this dog I've been talking about. I mean, he rides me well, rocks me well.
Oh my god, hi.
Boss, what the hell is going on? What is going on? My apartment has been ransacked, my car has been seized, my account is frozen. I called your secretary and she tells me that you ordered all this. What the hell is going on?
I'm sorry, Francis. I had no choice.
What the hell do you mean by you had no choice?
Francis, you are ill.
So that's what this is all about. So now I'm ill? Oh yeah, hello, I'm ill, I'm sick, I'm leaking from the ass. Yeah, all because of you. You lured me into this mess, didn't you?
Francis, you know what? Nobody forced you into this. It was a decision taken by you and you alone. So you can't walk in my office and come and shout here. Leave me before I call the police on you.
This is ridiculous, Jerry. I'm walking the streets wearing Pampers. I'm now half a man. All because of your silly and immoral act. And you tell me rubbish?
Leave my office before I call the police on you.
That's what you think? Watch me.
You know what? Leave my office now. Security! Security!
Success, majority trying to keep it following the wrong path. Following the wrong path. Blood money, them boys just ignoring the warnings. Some they in their mama's circles. Tired of life in the ghetto, cause of that colorful paper. Boys present them but as they price. What kind of life is this? If you don't get down, make you no hungry you. He hungry my guy, he go borrow and go feed me. Yawa don't gas for his head. The rhino shortcut in making it big. Patience my brother, my sister is the key. The rhino shortcut in making it big. Patience my brother, my sister is the key. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNF, ENM, they come, yeah. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNF, ENM, they come, yeah. Vanity upon vanity, brother, regain your sanity. Family over everything. Family over everything. Money no be everything. Sincerely speaking, you got to believe it. The song that I'm singing, we make your medulla ringing. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, surely get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. Just be patient, patient, surely get a paycheck. The shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. The right patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. The body go big and so they be big and yeah.
Hey, beautiful.
What are you doing?
Well, you naturally, I was missing those good times we had together, Mops. Hey, Freddie, why don't you go over to Philippe's place and have a short vacation?
Sorry, it cannot be a vacation. Because my fiancé is here.
Like, seriously?
Yeah. Don't get screwed.
Whoa.
Bye.
Making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. The right shortcuts making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNF, ENM, they come, yeah. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNF, ENM, they come, yeah. Vanity upon vanity, brother, regain your sanity. Family over everything. Family over everything. Money no be everything. Sincerely speaking, you got to believe it. The song that I'm singing, we make your medulla ringing. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard.
Hi, baby boy. Where to by this time?
Well, actually, I'm going nowhere.
It's already midnight and you're telling me nowhere?
Well, I just came up from the United States of America and I was picked. I don't really have my wallet on me. I got robbed.
Damn it, you lost your wallet? Come sit inside. You sleep over my place for the night, okay?
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Because of the they come, yeah. Boys won't hammer them, they try different format. The body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the
You ready to get to it? Do what musicians always do. Make some beautiful
Fred? Aren't you coming to sleep?
Oh no, I'm okay. I'm actually watching a program on TV. I love this program very much.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah, I'm okay.
My bed is big enough for both of us.
Oh.
Come on, Fred. You see, you're even yawning.
Yeah, but you know, the program is really nice. Like I don't like missing it. So let me just finish with this program, then I'll join you a bit, okay?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Jerry.
Fred.
It's a little awkward and a little sad because Burrell and I spent the last week rehearsing like this just super sexy version of Drunken Love, and I got a cold, and so they like decided to let this other power couple do it. It's fine. And just...
But I mean, but.
Mr. Jerry, Fred, are you serious? Excuse me. Mr. Jerry, what are you trying to do? What? So this really happens? Excuse me. If you're that horny enough, you can shove that thing right into your butt. Excuse me. Come on, Fred, that's what. Fred, thank you very much, but I prefer the street than doing such nasty stuff with you. God forbid. That's what, Fred.
I don't gas for there ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, then they try different from my body go make them so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNF, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, then they try different from my body go make them so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNF, they come, yeah. We make your medulla ringing. Hey, all you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. You surely get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. You surely get a paycheck.
Thief, catch him for me, thief.
Hey! Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcuts in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, then they try different from my body. They come, yeah. Because of the FNF, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, they try different from my body.
Oh, boss.
Give the money!
Right.
Give the money!
Kobe! What is the matter? Well, she said that I had a restaurant.
I said
I cannot believe that. Well,
give money.
Madam, please calm down, okay? How much is he owing you?
It's 3 cedis.
3 cedis?
Yes.
Well, I didn't really have change. That was why I didn't really have change. Well, yeah, man. Yeah. Please, we're sorry. It's okay. You can keep the change, okay?
Keep watching.
My phone, please. Yeah.
No money, no joy, more money, more problems. Young man, old boy, only thing in mind. Success, majority trying to achieve it, following the wrong path. Yeah, following the wrong path. Blood money, them boys just live ignoring the warnings. Some they in their mama's age circles. Tired of life in the ghetto, cause of that colorful paper. Boys present them boys as their prize. What kind of life is this? If you don't get down, make you no hungry you. You hungry, my guy, you go photo and go big big. Yeah, why don't gas for his head, There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, then they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, then they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM,
Listen, I understand you. Right, I get you. That's money.
You have a beautiful house and a beautiful car. You tell me money is not everything? Let me tell you something, Pop. Money is everything to me.
You got to believe it. The song that I'm singing, we make your medulla ringing. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just patient. You gotta pay walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. You surely get a paycheck. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, then they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, then they try different format. But the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah.
Yo, man, what's wrong with you, man? What the hell is Bridget? What the hell are you soaking yourself in alcohol? Look, let me tell you something. Who the hell Bridget is, I don't even know, but alcohol wouldn't solve your problem, okay?
You have no idea. She's the only woman that I have. My wife to be. There is no. My life is waste. I have to end my life. Give me the thing.
Give me the drink, let me give it to get alive.
Give me that drink!
Ever since you went away, I've got nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath away. Ever since you went away, I've got nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath.
Bridget, please. I'm sorry, please. It wasn't my fault, Bridget. Please. Please.
Nothing to say, 'cause you took my breath.
Sister. Rebecca, please understand. I never meant to hurt you.
Why?
They're too cute. I didn't do it. If I get myself into, I miss you, Rebecca. I miss you, Bridget.
Son of man! Master, please! Master, please!
Come in.
Master.
You have refused to pay the sacrifice.
No! Please, Master.
You shall pay the ultimate sacrifice with your own life.
No, Master, no. You already have taken enough from me. You took my wife and my sister. What else do you want from me, Master? Please. Please, spare my life.
The brotherhood is a place for one for all and all for one.
Master, please. Please.
You shall die. No one dares toy with the brotherhood. Ha!
Kobe, who the hell did this to you, man? What the hell happened, Kobe? How can you go so soon, man? I mean, I just got here. This beautiful house, the car's not even one guy. You can tell where you put your car. Just for me, you just got it. You just gotta tell her, let me tell you. I lied to you, God. I don't even have a house. I don't even have a time, and I don't even have money to feed myself. You even know how I got here, Kobe? I had to pick a taxi and jump the wall into your house, man. I don't have money to pay that shit. You just died later,
What a crazy world. See what life has turned us into. Kobe lost his life. Kwame died from Ebola. Kofi is in prison. Me, I was used like a girl. You ladies finished you, all because we were so desperate to make it. What a life.
Look, Francis. We don't really need to be hard on ourselves. You know, it was out of frustration that we did all this. We all made a wish that we were going to be something in 6 months' time. You know, and But this should be a lesson to everybody, like all the youths. You know, life is so simple. It's not a race. You don't need to be envy of your friend if the person have something that you should also have it. You know, I think
if we're having this conversation now, the harm.
Look, just relax, okay? I don't know how you're gonna deal with this, but your butt licking. I'm sorry,
shit,
dude.
Stop! No, I know, yeah. It's as a result of the decisions I made. It was not the best decision, but I mean, I listened to you, Fred. I listened to you. You say you do anything to survive.
I said I would do anything to survive, but I didn't say you should take my advice. Come on.
It's not the time. My friend is dead.
You don't need to. Oh, look.
It's okay.
It's not. At least you're not dead. We can do something about this, you know.
We still got us, right?
All we need to do is, you know, we have a very good diploma from school. Just get a decent job and live a very decent life.
What kind of life is this? If you don't get down, make you no hungry you hungry, my guy, you go borrow and go feed pay. Yawa don't gas for his head, oh. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patience, my brother, my sister is the key. Boys on hammer, them they try different format, but the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah. Boys on hammer, them they try different format, but the body go make them, so make you take them, yeah. Because of the FNM, they come, yeah. Vanity upon vanity, brother. Regain your sanity. Family over everything. Family over everything. Money no be everything. Sincerely speaking, you got to believe it. The song that I'm singing, we make your medulla ringing. Hey, all you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck. All you gotta do is walk and pray. Pray hard, walk hard and play hard. It's a matter of time, just be patient. Patient, you surely get a paycheck. There ain't no shortcut in making it big. Patient.